What's up, traders? This is Mish from the Opinicus team. Today I'll be showing you guys how to find stocks that are in play midday. So first source I like to check is I like to go on SeekingAlpha.com, and just on their main page I scroll down and go into the trending news tab. Just pretty much look for any names that I personally like to trade or any hot articles that could potentially bring volume and extra traders into these certain names that are being talked about. So far I'm seeing Nikola, Pfizer, Devon Energy, which I think is DVN, so we could check those few names. So let's see, Pfizer is going to be PFE. I already have it pulled up here actually. Not a whole lot of craziness going on here, it's just kind of trading regularly. However, I am seeing a little bit of above average volume, but not enough to get me interested. So let's check DVN. That was the other name on there. Yes, this one is trading on way higher than average volume. As you can see, this is the 15-minute of the last 5 or 6 days. And so we have average volume here, and this is today's session. As you can see, it's almost 3 times the average volume today. So this could be added to my midday or my afternoon watch list, as well as to my watch list for the rest of the week, just seeing as it's in play. Who knows, maybe we can see some follow through in the continued days. So this could be on my watch, just seeing as how much volume is trading and the fact that it is in play. Now, the next source I like to check is going to be TradingView. So once you go on their homepage, this is what it's going to look like. Now you're just going to go into products, then screeners, and then you want to click stock. Once this loads for you, you want to click on filters, and then here we're going to click down on simple type, and we're going to add preferred stock. And then we're going to uncheck primary listing. What you want to do is you want to click on the search filter just to make it quick and just follow along. We want to have volume at least or 2 million shares done. And then next we want to look for average volume. So the average 10-day volume we want to have at least 1 million. So we want to drag that over until it reads 1M. And then the 60-day average volume, we want that to be at least 2 million. So drag that over until that shows 2M. Next thing we want is relative volume to be above 1. Then the next thing we search for is the simple moving average. I'd like it to be below the price of the stock. That way the price is trading above the 21-day moving average. So it's telling me that the stock is strong. Now next thing you want to look up is price. We just want that to be above 15, and just so we filter out all the penny stocks. If you guys are into penny stocks, then you can just keep that as it was. And the last thing is I just want to scroll down and find a new 1-month high. And the last thing is market capitalization. We just want that to be at least 2 billion. That way we're trading some solid stocks, some solid companies. So once you have all your filters adjusted and situated, you want to just click out and have these sorted by percent change. So as you can see, I have HZNP and DD as the top of the list. So I'm going to search those in my charting platform, HZNP. And once it loads, you can actually see that yes, it is indeed in play. It gapped up post earnings and it is now uptrending on above average volume. So as you can see, this thing actually gapped up 6% post earnings and then made an additional 6% move intraday. So that is definitely in play. The stock will definitely be monitored in the second half of my trading session and possibly throughout the rest of the week, as well as other names that I might just check right now. So DD is the second one on that list. Same thing, as you can see, it's trading on higher than average volume. Not that great of a chart intraday, but still worth monitoring. And the third tool slash source that I wanted to show you guys is going to be our proprietary volume script that we use to read RVOL. It is subscription based and it's used in TradingView. If you subscribe to it, you can add it to your TradingView, or if you're a think tank member, we offer it to our members complimentary. You just add it to your TradingView, and once you have your TradingView open, you can just scan through any stocks and it's gonna show you relative volume being done in them, or just abnormal volume in those stocks. So basically how it works is you can see all the bars here are gray. That is telling me that the volume is average. And once it starts picking up, once the tool starts picking up abnormal volume that's higher than 1 or 1.5 RVOL, is going to read it as red. Then higher than 1.5 RVOL is going to be an orange, and then higher than that is going to be green, and then lime green. And basically what I do is I just have my watch list here that I've built up over time. It's just names that I've collected that I like to trade, and I've organized them alphabetically. So I just start at the top and pretty much scan to see if there's any volume being done. As you can see, post FOMC, we have volume spikes in all names, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a stock that's actually trading on higher than average volume on its own. So this was just Fed data. I'm aware of that, so I'm going to ignore it. So the very next name here, Airbnb, you could see it's trading on a way higher than average volume. And it's not hard to tell if you zoom out just to see a few sessions. This is about 6 or 7 trading sessions, 15-minute chart. If you compare today's volume to the last few sessions, I mean, it's obvious that we're trading on much higher than average volume. Now, if you want to learn more about RVOL, we'll provide a detailed write-up of that and how to utilize it in the description. So be sure to look out for that. And basically, one good example of how I used this RVOL tool today was Boeing. If I look up BA, they released some news today, midday. So as you can see, the session started right about here. We're trading on average volume. As you can see, it's all gray, nothing going on here. Around 11, they released some news, which brought a lot of traders in. Therefore, the RVOL is now higher. This automatically puts it on my watch list because now I'm interested. We have a good pattern on the daily, and we have a lot of traders involved. I'm gonna definitely keep watching that. So this is exactly why we like to keep tools like this in our tool case, so to say, because stuff like this saves me time and helps me identify stocks in play really quick. Hopefully this helped you guys out, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on the website at opinicusholdings.com. If you found this video valuable, please give it a like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.